Welcome to our store.
Thank you very much. Where are the vegetables?
They are in aisle 3.
Do you have tomatoes?
Yes, right over here.
How much are they?
$2 per kilogram.
Are these tomatoes fresh?
Yes, very fresh today.
Where are the bananas?
Next to the oranges.
How much are bananas?
$1.50.
Do you have apples?
Yes, red and green.
Which apples are sweeter?
The red ones are.
Where is the bread?
Bread is in aisle 1.
Is the bread fresh?
Yes, baked this morning.
How much is bread?
$1.80.
Do you have milk?
Yes, in dairy section.
Where is the milk?
It is over there.
How much is milk?
$1.20.
Do you have eggs?
Yes, we have eggs.
Where are the eggs?
Next to the milk.
How many in box?
12 eggs per box.
How much are eggs?
$2 per box.
Do you have cheese?
Yes, many kinds here.
Where is the cheese?
In the dairy section.
How much is cheese?
$3 per pack.
Do you have chicken?
Yes, fresh chicken today.
Where is the chicken?
At the back section.
How much is chicken?
$5 per kilogram.
Is the chicken fresh?
Yes, not frozen today.
Do you have beef?
Yes, ground beef here.
How much is beef?
$6 per kilogram.
Do you have fish?
Yes, fresh fish today.
Where is the fish?
Next to the meat.
How much is salmon?
$8 per kilogram.
Do you have pizza?
Yes, in frozen section.
Where are frozen foods?
They are in aisle 5.
How much is pizza?
$4 each pizza.
Do you have chips?
Yes, many flavors here.
Where are the chips?
They are in aisle 6.
How much are chips?
$1.50.
Do you have juice?
Yes, orange juice here.
Where are the drinks?
They are in aisle 7.
How much is juice?
$2.50.
Do you have water?
Yes, still and sparkling.
How much is water?
$1 per bottle.
Do you have coffee?
Yes, many brands here.
Where is the coffee?
It is in aisle 2.
How much is coffee?
$4 per jar.
Do you have tea?
Yes, green and black.
Where is the tea?
Next to the coffee.
How much is tea?
$3 per box.
Do you have sugar?
Yes, white and brown.
Where is the sugar?
In aisle 2 here.
How much is sugar?
$2 per kilogram.
Do you have oil?
Yes, olive oil here.
Where is the oil?
It is in aisle 4.
How much is oil?
$5 small bottle.
Do you have soap?
Yes, dish soap here.
Where is the soap?
It is in aisle 8.
How much is soap?
$2 per bottle.
Do you have detergent?
Yes, liquid and powder.
Which one is better?
Liquid is more popular.
How much is detergent?
$7 per bottle.
Do you have bags?
Yes, at the checkout.
Do you have discounts?
Yes, check our app.
Where is the checkout?
It is straight ahead.
How many items here?
You have 12 items.
Can I pay cash?
Yes, cash is fine.
Do you have change?
Yes, here is change.
Can I pay card?
Yes, card is accepted.
Is contactless payment okay?
Yes, it works here.
Do you have receipts?
Yes, here is yours.
Did I get discount?
Yes, 5% off.
Where is the exit?
The exit is there.
Do you have parking?
Yes, it is free.
What time do you close?
We close at 10.
Are you open Sunday?
Yes, every day open.
Do you deliver food?
Yes, we deliver online.
How do I order?
Use our mobile app.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.